while the police department is awaiting a written court order to register an FIR against the officials in the privatization of the Mapsa District Hospital case, leader of opposition Manohar Parrikar on Saturday has threatened to file another FIR against all concerned persons involved if the state health department doesn't stop fraud and manipulation while processing PPP project. Speaking at a press conference, the opposition leader Manohar Parrikar termed the PPP project for the Mapsa District Hospital as a big fraud done by the state health minister, which could cost the state government a total loss of more than 50 to 55 crores of rupees. Parrikar said that after PPP in power sector, this was the next big scam in the state exchequer.
या हॉस्पिटल PPPच्या हाज्या सकयल म्हज्या हिशोबान प्रोबॅबली 50 ते 100 कोटीची एकूण किकबॅक आणि एकूण म्हणल्यार इनवॉल्ड आसा किंवा आसतली अशी जाणीव जाता. एक्झॅक्ट अमाउंट कॅनॉट बी असर्टेन. इफ दिस इज प्रोसिडेड फर्दर, I am filing an FIR in next 1 or 2 months, 1.5 months. सगळे डॉक्युमेंट ऑफिशियल राईट ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन घेऊन फाईल करतो प्रॉपर्ली. एक महिना 1.5 महिन्या भितर FIR फाईल करतो हांव. तातूंत भितर हे सगळे अधिकारी आणि कॅबिनेट तातूंत भितर पडत. कारण मधून मरे कॅबिनेट भितर अप्रूवल ना आता. कॅबिनेटूय बरोबर विश्वजीत राण्या सकट आणि चीफ मिनिस्टर सकट इंद्रायस वा अक्षयस वा पयलींच सांगता. I want chief secretary on this. I hope better sense prevails and this fraud is stopped.
Parrikar said that after PPP in power sector, this was the next big scam in the state exchequer.
रेफरल हॉस्पिटल म्हणून ह्या हॉस्पिटलाक दर्जो दिवप, शाल प्रिफर्ड रेफरल हॉस्पिटल हे भितर कन्सेशन एग्रीमेंटान बरयल्लें आसा. हे RFPचो भाग ना. हे रेफरल हॉस्पिटल हे मेळटलें म्हणून. आता आणि हे खंयच्याच फायनान्शियल कॅल्क्युलेशनान दाखोवन ना. Now what is the impact of this referral hospital?
Meanwhile, commenting on the medium of instruction issue, Parrikar said the BJP had no interest in politicizing the issue but was of the opinion that views of educational experts be considered before implementing the medium of instruction decision.
शैक्षणिक एक्सपर्टाच्या माध्यमांच्यान मेळिल्लें ओपिनियन सरकारान इम्प्लिमेंट करूंक जाय. हाच्या बद्दल आमकां कांयच शंका ना. RTE तेच सांगता. RTE वेगळें कांयच सांगना. एव्हरीवेअर इट इज लायक दॅट. ब्रारान पयलीं पंजाबान करचें